This is Njambiz Tutorials, where we learn digital marketing, branding, and business tips and tricks. Subscribe for videos every week. Today, I want to show you how to post to your Instagram business account through Facebook on your computer. But before we get started, have you subscribed? Have you? If you haven't, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button to support the channel. It is absolutely free to subscribe. But if you're feeling generous, you can also donate to support the channel to PayPal. Details on your screen right now and in the description box below. Any amount will be appreciated. Support a girl's channel by subscribing, absolutely free, or a donation to PayPal. Now let's get started. So to be able to post on your Instagram through Facebook on your computer, you need to have linked your Facebook page and your Instagram business page. Now once you do that, you can go ahead and post through the business suite or the business Facebook business manager on your Facebook page on your computer. Now to do that, navigate to the page obviously that you want to post through. I am going to be using Njambiz Tutorials page. By the way, follow the page as well on Facebook for tips, tricks, and tutorials on digital marketing as well. So yes, you navigate to the page you want to post from. I'll post from Njambiz Tutorials. On the left side, you can see the menu option right there. So just click on Publishing Tools. This will navigate you to the business suite, Publishing Tools. As you can see, if it hasn't selected the page you want, in case you have several, you can always change it down here on the drop downs. So I will go ahead and click Create Post, and as you can see on the left side, you can see placements. It's giving me Njambiz Tutorials Facebook page and Njambiz Tutorials on Instagram. So I can deselect Facebook and select Instagram if I want to post to Instagram alone. However, if you want to post to both Facebook and Instagram simultaneously, you can select both. So I'll just do Instagram, so I'll deselect that and go ahead and put in my text. As you can see, even the hashtags are suggesting for you in the publishing tools. And then scroll down and put in a video. I'll be posting a video for this one. Okay, so it has finished processing the video. As you can see on the right hand, it's giving me a preview of what that will look like on Instagram. So everything is good. I have my text, I have my video. You can use a photo as well, and go ahead and click publish, and my post has been published. As simple as that, people, as simple as that. Let me show you that on Instagram, and there it is. Here's my post. It has been posted on Instagram, and that's pretty much it, people. That's how you post from Facebook on your computer to your Instagram business account. If you want to learn how to post on your Instagram personal account using your computer, comment below and I will do a video on that as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it informative, give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. You can follow Njambiz Tutorials on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter for tips, tricks, and tutorials on digital marketing. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. Subscribe, my people. It is free to subscribe and support the channel. However, if you're feeling generous, you can also make a donation to support creation of this content through PayPal. Details on your screen right now. The details are on your screen right now and in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see any other content, specific content on digital marketing, drop a comment below and let me know. Let me know if this video is helpful, informative, and what else you'd like to see on this channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.